On the 25th of May, the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, is going to come into effect in the EU. GDPR will give EU citizens the right to order any company to stop building profiles about them, request data deletion within 30 days, and move data from one provider to another. If a company fails to comply, they will be fined either 20 million euros or 4% of their annual global revenue, whichever is larger. If your website has users from anywhere in the EU, then your website needs to be GDPR compliant before the 25th of May deadline, or you risk being hit by these huge fines. Here are some key things you need to consider when making your website GDPR compliant. How is data collected throughout the site? You need to understand which data you collect and where, and make sure it's clear to the customer what will be done with it. Can consent be requested at all relevant touchpoints? If not, that functionality needs to be added. How can individuals access their data? You need to have a clear and easy process to allow users to view all the data you hold about them. The key places you need to focus on are contact forms, login areas, e-commerce purchase areas, and anywhere else where the user needs to input data. Do you have any other GDPR tips? Let us know in the comments. WebCertain can conduct an audit to identify the steps you need to take to make your website GDPR compliant. Get in touch via the link in the video description below to find out more.